in The Pilgrims, one of the most brilliant books among the others. Now, what I suggest to you about hard work is find interest in what topic that you do work. Because without interest, you cannot progress at all. But if you do have interest, you can start working hard, efficiently, and steadily. Now, hard work is not just a once in a blue moon motivation. It requires consistency. You can't just, as I said, do something for a few days and call it quits. It's like saying, I really want a glass of water, then not getting up from your seat to get it at all. You need to keep on working every day. Even after visible results, you have to keep on going until you reach your goal. Now, while you're on the road to success, there will be hard times for you, which are failures. And don't let the failure discourage you. Through failures, you can learn through your mistakes, and from your mistakes, you can improve and you can reach faster to your success. For example, Elon Musk and SpaceX. So he was working on a self-landing or a reusable rocket. And he went through many trial errors because of that. Many parts broke, the rocket exploded, and he was very frustrated at the time. Failure can be frustrating for a person. And even though all that frustration, he kept on going, he kept on working hard, and from those trial and errors, he succeeded, he came up with a solution. And with that solution, he was able to succeed in his goal, which was making a reusable rocket without the parts breaking off or the rocket exploding. Now, in conclusion, hard work needs discipline and passion. To make your dreams come true, you need to work hard. To make fantasies into a reality, you must work hard. I would like to end my speech. Thank you.
Let us welcome our second speaker, Ms. Beena Kaki from the House Kanchenjunga.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed judges, chairperson, respected teachers, brothers, sisters, and my fellow friends. Today I stand before you to address one of the most important part of our life, and I'm Beena Kaki from. Before starting my speech, I would like to thank all of you for gathering here and also welcome you from the bottom of my heart. So guys, you must have heard the quote, hard work is good to success, but it's not just a word. It is the determination which leads a person to a good path. So guys, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Dear audience, as you all know that our life is full of twists and turns. Everyone here has to try to get for success. Hard work is obligated to get for success. In life, we all want to achieve something special, something great in our life. The secret of making those dreams come true is hard work. Hard work is dedicating oneself to persistence, determination, patience. Let's take the example of gardening. If you have planted a seed, you cannot expect flowers to bloom overnight, isn't it? So, look at the famous business person or athlete. They did not begin great overnight. Achievements without hard work are impossible. The harder you work for something, the greater you feel when you achieve it. So, you need to work hard. In this world, we have to struggle to conquer every hindrance in the way to success. Without working hard, you need to work hard. And you need to believe in yourself. So,
our way of life. It teaches us the value of discipline, resilience, and self-improvement. It instills in us the belief that no goal is beyond us.
Let us embrace the ethos of hard work. Let us remember that success is not a destination but a journey and a path to greatness. Let us strive for excellence, not mediocrity. Let us hold on to the belief that every ounce of effort we put in today will lead towards tomorrow. At the end, I would like to end this speech by saying, work hard, aim high, reach for the sky. Thank you.
Honorable Chairperson, respected teachers, esteemed judges, and my dear friends, warm greetings. I'm Joanna, a 10th grader. I'm really happy to be able to participate in this oratory contest entitled Hardworking is the Key to Success.
I'd like to start off with a saying by Colin Powell. It goes like this. A dream is not received through any sort of magic. It needs sweat, determination, and hard work. Yes, hard working is a key to abundance. If you work hard, you'll be able to accomplish your goals, earn good income, and become successful further in your lives. Hard working is a part that makes your life better. This is what the above or the preceding line is trying to explain about. Let's take an example of a person who has a lots of parental assets. He may be living his life in luxury, many facilities, and may have a stereotype level in the society. However, he is lacking the confidence, the intelligence, and the hard work, which leads him to laziness and eventually to poverty. These people are rather focused on bragging about their property instead of working hard and earning money. So we should be focused on working hard and making our lives productive rather than wasting the stuff that we have and showing them off. So, Honorable Chairperson, hard working is associated to triumph. It is not always about the victory that is gained in the hard work. However, it is about the name and the fame that is gained in the hard work. Sam Walton asserted, if you love your work, you'll be out there every day trying to do it the best you possibly can. And eventually, there will be people following you to do the passion in your work. So, we should work hard and we should make others follow us due to the passion in our work. Let us take an example of a hardworking person, Thomas Edison. He worked day and night and was able to secure 2,332 different official documents throughout his entire lifetime. Bill Gates was also able to transform the entire information technology when he worked hard and was named as a hard worker. A Nepali citizen, Vinod Chaudhary, was also called a hardworking person when he worked hard and formed a group called, a foundation called Chaudhary Group, which who now is called a hardworking person and the most rich person of Nepal due to his hard work. Honorable Chairperson, we don't even have to go that far to get an example of a hardworking person. Aren't our teachers hard workers? Haven't they earned their name and their fame as teachers due to their hard work? Therefore, hardworking, which means working with passion and determination, shall be prioritized and shall be kept under consideration because it leads to a better life. As Kaji has said, a person who has gone through thunder, storm, and raining is the only one who can be able to see the beautiful view of a rainbow. So this means that we should work hard and we should make others and us ourselves see what success feels like, and this can only be earned due to the hard work that we do. Therefore, hardworking, which means working with determination and passion, shall be kept under consideration, and hardworking shall be further. And I would like to conclude my speech by saying that hardworking shall be empowered for a better success. Thank you.
A very warm good morning to our Honorable Chief Guest Ramji Acharya, teachers, the jury panel, and my dear friends. Today I am standing here proudly to deliver my speech for the English Oratory Competition on a topic, hard work is the key to success. I am Chamkavali from grade 9 Jumra, representing Tholagiri House as its captain. Hard work is the key to success. It's indeed a timeless saying that has been proven countless times throughout history. No one can achieve success without putting in the necessary hard work. Therefore, hard work has rightfully earned its reputation as the secret to success. The principle that hard work leads to success deeply embodies the belief that consistent and determined effort can surmount obstacles, enhance skills, and create opportunities for growth. In essence, the quote, hard work is the key to success, reinforces the significance of dedication, effort, and perseverance in long hours relentlessly. Rather, it embodies one's commitment to excellence and the relentless pursuit of improvement. Because success often comes to those who will idly poison open the doors. Rather, it comes to those who actively seek, determine, and constant effort. Whether it's about mastering a skill, excelling in a promotion, so fulfilling mark dreams, or achieving important milestones. Hard work serves as a simple scaffolding for greater success. Not only leading them to success, but also shaping individuals into better versions of themselves, equipping them with the necessary tools, experiences, and mindset required to navigate through life's challenges. One person from Nepal who has perfectly embodies the significance of what hard work fosters is none other than Pasung Lam Sherpa, the first Nepali woman to summit to Mount Everest. Her remarkable achievement is not only a testament to her physical endurance. For life, not only illustrate how hard work paired up with dedication and resilience can lead to remarkable success. So, even till date, her life continues to inspire countless others to pursue their dreams and make meaningful contributions to the world. Additionally, as everyone has experienced, life is full of twists and turns, both downhill and uphill. Everyone encounters struggles in this world as they strive to overcome obstacles on the path to success. But sometimes one might face on failure. But failure does never come to render us helpless or to completely defeat us. Rather, it comes to fortify us, imparting us valuable lessons on what to avoid and what not to. As a famous quote aptly states, "No pain, no gain" by Benjamin Franklin reinforces the significance of dedication, effort, and perseverance, and also the fact that success in life demands hard work, regardless of the field, as success and hard work are inseparable, akin to two sides of the same coin. In conclusion, the saying, "Hard work is the key to success," describe the significance of perseverance, effort, and dedication, striving towards a goal, reaching it, and finding success from it. By embracing the principle of hard work, one can not only obtain personal success, but also can.
Now let's proceed with our another speaker, Ms. Novya Sanwar from the House Kanchanjunga.
Good morning to the judges, our chief guests, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I'm Novya Sanwar from Grade 8 Salyan, representing Kanchanjunga House, talking about hard work is the key to success. Now, the title "Hard Work is Hard Work is the key to success" is because this word, yet it is this.
The first speaker from the second half of the event, Ms. Tayami Rai from the House Mazhabusre.
There's no such thing as magic achievement. Success doesn't become a reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. Good morning, respected teachers and judges, my seniors and juniors, including my dear friends. My name is Naimi Rai and I'm from grade 9 Zumla, representing Mazhabusre House. I feel very grateful that I get to stand here on this stage and talk about the title, "Hard Work is the Key to Success." Hard work refers to the diligent and persistent effort put into tasks or goals, often involving significant time, energy, and perseverance. It is a great deal of effort or endurance. Hard work is like planting seeds in a garden. When you put in the effort and time, just like watering and tending to the seeds, you give yourself the best chance to grow and succeed. Hard work is the source of many qualities such as self-development, critical thinking, attentiveness, and much more. Success is simply the accomplishment of an aim or what we desire. There is no secret to success. It is the result of hard work. In this world, no one has a mother living on a welfare. Despite her difficult circumstances, she spent countless hours writing. Her manuscript for Harry Potter was rejected 12 times by 12 different publishers. However, she spent countless hours revising her work and submitting it to different publishers. And keep pushing yourself to do your best, you're more likely to achieve your goals and reach success. Why did all the famous personalities become successful? Is it because they simply dreamed or were lucky for it? No, it's because they were focused, and mostly it's because they worked hard. We can take examples from how athletes train tirelessly to win championships, how musicians practice hard to perfect their performance, how entrepreneurs work hard to build successful business. Success often comes to those who are busy looking for it. A lazy person has excuses, but hardworking people will always look for solutions to all the obstacles. And today, I'm also standing here on the stage due to my hard work. If I was lazy or if I wasn't dedicated to my work, I wouldn't be here standing on the stage and presenting about the title "Hard Work is the Success" to you guys. So from now on onwards, let's all become more hardworking, and if we keep up the hard work, we'll see the results. Thank you.
Grade 9 Jazak Beauty. You have to give a speech about hard work is key to success. Hard work is the result of continuous perseverance and determination. Hard work cannot be achieved overnight. It is an
Good morning, chief guests, respected judges, and fellow students. I would first like to thank our coordinator, sir, for giving us this facility to host our English oratory program. I am here now in front of all of you thanks to the dedication I poured into my speech and also the invaluable guidance of my teachers. They have definitely illuminated the path I walk on now. I, Hingman Limbu from Grade 8 Toile, Dhaulagiri House, I'm here to give you a speech on the topic, hard work is the key to success. For all the fellow students gathered here today, I wish to impart a timeless truth that has the potential and ability to sculpt our destinies in profound ways. The truth being that hard work is indeed the cornerstone for anyone and everyone's success. In our academic journey, we might have been bombarded by messages that suggest innate talent or innate luck are the primary architects of triumph. Though they may exert some type of influence, they pale in comparison to the transformative power of hard work. For example, let's take all the students who soar in their pursuits, immediately and easily grasp intricate concepts, and triumph in every singular examination. More often than not, their brilliance does not stem from innate talent or innate luck. It stems from. But what does hard work truly entail? It transcends mere hours spent laboring over textbooks or cramming for assessments. It encompasses fostering a mindset regarding setbacks not as stumbling blocks, but rather as stepping stones for growth and enlightenment. Contemplate the quote of Thomas Edison, after all, whose countless experiments and setbacks ultimately accumulated in the creation of the light bulb. When asked about his failures, he famously replied, "I did not fail. I just found 10,000 different ways that won't work." Edison's resilience and unwavering pursuit for his imagination is a testament of perseverance in the face of adversity. If you have a goal, if you have a dream, let's say it is to be rich or to be, let's say, a football star, then all you have to do is start. Who's gonna stop you from starting? Or should I say, who's gonna stop you from then on? Just don't tell it to the wrong person after all. If you say you're gonna be a football star, to the wrong person, then they're just gonna reply by saying you're too fat, you're too weak, stuff like that. But at that point, if you have already started, why even listen to them? After all, the same boiling water can soften a potato and can harden an egg. It is about you, your circumstance, and you only, not about what others say or what you are going through. It is all about you. Another famous quote is of Usain Bolt. He famously said, "I trained 4 years to run 9.5 seconds." Hard work is behind the scenes. Competition are the easy part. This goes to show that as long as you work hard, the rest will become a piece of cake. Especially as us students, we are fortunate to be in an environment overflowing with opportunities for self-improvement and self-advancement. Let us not squander this privilege by apathy or complacency. Let us rather embrace it with pursuit of passion and resolve, knowing that each moment spent on scholarly pursuits and each task completed will propel us nearer and nearer to our aspirations and goals. In conclusion, I implore all of you to seize the ownership of your academic voyage. Set high goals, push your boundaries, and in the end, never forget, the only place where success comes before work is the dictionary. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone, the honorable judges, the chairperson, and my dear friends. I am Goldilocks Senehang Suba from Grade 10 Baljan, representing the House Kanchenjunga, here to speak about the topic hard work is the key to success. Imagine a world where success is handed to you without effort. Achievements are guaranteed and dreams come true without lifting a finger. Sounds appealing, doesn't it? But such a world, however tempting, would lack the depth and satisfaction that comes along with one of the most fundamental truths of life. Hard work is the key to success. In a world where we seek quick fixes and instant gratification, it's easy to forget that success is not just a matter of luck and talent alone. It's about it's the result of persistent effort, unwavering determination. Consider Thomas Edison, one of the greatest inventors of all time. He once famously said, "Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration." His journey was not paved with immediate success. In fact, he failed over 1,000 times before perfecting the light bulb. Or let's take the story of Michael Jordan, known to be one of the greatest. Jordan took it as motivation. Through his commitment towards his practice, he propelled himself in extraordinary heights in his sports. To face setbacks. The ability to face setbacks and the determination to keep pushing forward despite the
The more you sweat in training, the less you bleed in war. Change comes with a pain, but the pain later becomes a gain. Good morning, everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers, prestigious jury, and my dear companions at school. A warm greeting to everyone from me, Priya Thapamagar from Grade 10 Bazura, representing Machapuche House. A short speech on the topic, hard work is the key to success. As we say, man is born to work, he shines just like steel in use and rust in rest. Hard work is definitely the key to success. It serves as the foundation for achieving great goals, setting objectives, coming up with a strategy to achieve them, and maintaining momentum all require effort. Hard work is the cornerstone of success and progress. It has been a defining aspect of human achievement throughout history, underscoring the belief that effort and perseverance can overcome even the most daunting challenges. It is the bedrock of success. It's not just about effort, but a blend of discipline,
determination, and dedication. To hard work, goals transform into achievements, teaching resilience and the value of persistence. As humans, we wish to achieve many things in life. But remember, it is impossible to achieve greatness without working hard. Success isn't something that we arrive in one day. It has an inseparable tie to our everyday individuals' decisions, activities, and encounters, despite how big or small they are. It is the achievement accomplished through fighting battles and persistence. It is a dream and objective that is not achieved overnight. One who keeps working hard constantly will definitely gain success in his life. Many people blame their poverty, incompetency, insufficient education, and their own personality for their failures. Now these factors, but the idleness is a great curse. If we shall waste time, time shall waste us. Great men of the world were born in cottages, but they died in palaces. History has proved it time and again that hard work leads to success. The American president, Abraham Lincoln, was born in a log cabin in the forest. He could not afford a lamp and read borrowed books in the light of the fire in the hearth. And yet, by a dint of success, he rose to become one of the greatest men of his time. Steve Jobs, the chairperson, the CEO, and one of the pioneers of microcomputer technology, he was named the most powerful person in business by Fortune magazine in 2007. He had many doubts on what he wanted to become and how he wanted to lead his life. And what he did was he chose what he loved, dedicated his life in it, and worked hard for it. And at last he became successful to achieve what he loved. No wonder there were many ups and downs in his life, but despite the drawbacks of his life, he determined his life and worked hard to become the successful businessman. Success does not come to those who seek shortcuts and take the easy paths, but to those who are willing to put on their hard work and perseverance. Many times, life hits you in the head with a brick, but don't lose faith. It is a test given by life to see how determined you are to achieve your goal. At last, I would like to conclude with the beautiful sayings of beautiful persons. Work is an obligation, but as we work hard, it's self-expansion. Half effort does not produce half results. It produces no results, but work, continuous work and hard work is the only way to accomplish the results that last. If you want something without looking at the price tag, first you have to learn to work hard without looking at the clock. Thank you.
Economy or poor by any criteria whatsoever. Now, let us welcome our last speaker for today's event, Ms. Rista Gibire from the House Sagarmatha.
Thank you. Opportunities are usually disguised as hard work, so most people don't recognize them. Good morning, everyone. Respected chief guest, coordinator, jury members, teachers, and fellow students. I am Rista Gibire from Grade 8 Dolpa, representing Sagarmatha House. Today, I feel so glad to be here in front of you all to give a short speech on the topic of hard work is the key to success. So, here I start. Hard work is about doing something that may not directly inspire you, but that is necessary for you to achieve your goal. It is an essential thing we all need in life. It is impossible to achieve greatness without working hard. In other words, an idle person cannot gain anything if they just wish to sit and wait for something else. The notion that hard work leads to success is rooted in the belief that consistent and determined effort can overcome obstacles, improve skills, and create opportunities. From time immemorial, many societies have been drilled with the core value that Hard work is the moral virtue, one that will lead to respect, praise, success, and more. It implies that success is not merely a result of luck or talent, but is earned through hard work and determination. We can give an example of a student who puts in long hours studying, who actively participates in class, seeks extra help when needed, and completes assignments and projects in time is more likely to achieve academic success. Their hard work allows them to understand and retain information better, and perform well in exam and excel in their chosen field of study. Even in sport, an athlete who constantly trains rigorously, follows a strict diet and exercise regimen and remains committed to their sport is more likely to achieve athletic success. Their hard work can lead to improved performance, enhanced physical abilities, and the ability to compete at a higher level. Hard work is the cornerstone of achievement. It is the force that propels us forward when challenges seem insurmountable and when success appears distant. Hard work is not just about putting in hours, it's about dedication, perseverance, and the unshakable belief in our abilities. To sum up, hard work is defined as constant effort over time to complete a desired goal. Working hard can bring an array of rewards and provides us with the confidence to keep pushing even in our toughest moments. Having said that, I would like to conclude my short speech. I hope you all learned something. Thank you for listening to me and thank you for a patient goodbye.
Thank you for your short but sweet speech, Rishta. She was our last speaker. Now, to give a review of the entire event, let us welcome on stage the school coordinator.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, thank you all the audience participants for being here today and for your incredible participations in these oratory competitions. So the quality, the quality of your speech is really commendable. Hard work is key to success. So after listening to you and from your careful deliberation, is secured by Joanna Sonzel from grade 10, representing Sagarmatha House. And she is able to secure 234 marks out of 300. Wow. Let's try her. Gimire from grade 8, representing Sagarmatha House. And she is able to secure 241 marks out of 300. Congratulations. Second position is secured by Priya Thapa, grade 10, representing Machapushe House, and she is able to secure 262 points out of 300. Position is secured by Hingman Limbu from grade 8, representing Dhaulagiri House, and he is able to secure 264 points out of 300. Congratulations, hard work is key to success. Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you, Trishya Gale, MC of the program. Congratulations to you all students for being wonderful. Really likewise, congratulations to all the participants. Now it's the time